Hey, I'm Mika. I'm excited to tell you all about our breakthrough new program called Code Along. Code Along is a series of video-based coding tutorials that break down how to code the coolest projects. And along the way, some very special guests pop in to share how they use the same coding skills in their dream jobs to create amazing projects. Code Along includes virtual field trips that explore exciting career paths in tech, nationwide coding contests with celebrity superstars.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Sierra here.
And we team up with some of today's biggest influencers to maximize our reach. The best part? All of this content is available for free every week on the Black Girls Code YouTube channel. It's tailor-made to meet learners where they're at with content that speaks their language. From block-based coding tutorials for our youngest learners, to intermediate projects for middle schoolers, to more advanced content for high schoolers, college students, and young professionals. Code Along delivers tangible skill building and inspiration so that girls, especially girls of color, can become the next tech leaders. In addition to this always-on digital learning, we also host Code Along IRL workshops that bring our communities of youth and their families together with hands-on mentoring opportunities. And we're making an impact. In our first 18 months, Code Along has had over 6 million views, over 20,000 subscribers, and over 1 billion impressions. Our audience is 85% female, 83% under the age of 24, and very global. From the US to Ghana to Brazil, girls from around the world are tuning into Code Along. And after watching Code Along, Black girls are twice as likely to agree people like me belong in the world of technology and computer science, and that they can easily learn to code. And we're just getting started. So if you share our passion for learning and preparing the next generation of tech leaders, come join us.